Okay, students, class we are going to discuss about unit number 4, interpolation, and it comes in your mathematics subjects MA 3251, statistics and numerical methods, MA 32, statistical and numerical methods. This is the title of your paper, in which the fourth unit is interpolation and numerical integration and differentiation. That's what the title. First, we are going to discuss about unit 4, interpolation. So what is the meaning of the interpolation? Now I have to explain that like this. Okay, I suppose there are two variables are there. X1 is one variable and y is another variable, and if the value of x is given to us, take for example 25, the corresponding value is 10. For 10, the corresponding value is 5. For 3, the corresponding value is 15. For 4, the corresponding value is 25. If that is the case, what is the corresponding value of y, okay, when x takes a value some 100, you suppose, what would be the value of y? And this type of problem we call interpolation problem. I repeat, x and y are two variables. They are connected like this. When x is 25, y is 10. When x is 10, y is 15. When y is 3, x is 3, y is 15. When x is 4, y is 25. When x is 100, what is y? Okay, otherwise when x is 12, you suppose, then what is y? This type of problem we call interpolation problems. Okay, now look at that. This is what we say an interpolation problem. Interpolation problem. That is, if the value of one variable is connected to other variable, and for unknown value of x, we can find out the corresponding value of y. And this type of problem we call it as interpolation problem. Okay, so one example we'll take and discuss about that. We'll take one problem and discuss about that. Now here is a geocell company. Okay, For 4 years, it recorded the profit as given in the table. In the table, the profit by GeoCell company for 4 years is given under here. Okay, take for example, in 1997, the profit is 43 lakhs. In 1999, a Geo company makes 65 lakhs of profit in Coimbatore. In 2001, 159 lakhs profit produced by a Geo company in Coimbatore. Similarly, in 2002, 248 lakhs of profit made by a GeoCell company in Coimbatore. Okay, this is the situation. So this table gives about the corresponding year and the profit produced by GeoCell company in Coimbatore. So there are 4 years given to us. The corresponding profit in lakhs also given. Now our question is, take for example here, in 1998 is not given here. What would be the corresponding profit by Geo company? 1998. Suppose in 1997 they ask, we can see this, we can say 43 is the lakh of rupees profit by Geo company. If 1999 asked, this we can say. 2001, this we can say. But in between this unknown value, take for example in 2000 year, what is the profit? It is not given here. What is the profit? It is not given here. Okay, we are interested in the profit earned by a GeoCell company in Coimbatore in the year 2000. What would be the profit by the GeoCell company? So that is not given here. Now similarly here, take for example, in 2005, it is not given here in this data. What would be the output? I mean, what would be the profit in lakhs by GeoCell company in Coimbatore? That's also is not given here. Let me guide for 2005. So this type of interpolation, this type of calculating a y value, suppose this is y value for the corresponding x value is called interpolation. That is finding out the corresponding y value for given unknown x value. It is possible by mathematics, and this type of problem we call it as interpolation. Okay, so this is definitely an interpolation problem. We know well, am I correct? So here the GeoCell company in 4 years what profit is made, that is given here. And look at that. Calculate the profit in the year 2000. Is 2000 given here? Is 2000 given here? No. For 2001, 2002, 1999, 1997 only given. For 2000 in this particular place, the corresponding profit by GeoCell company is not given here. Okay. in this case, mathematics is very helpful for us to interpolate the corresponding y value for the given x value. Okay, and of course lot of formulas available here. A mathematician named Lagrang have found out a formula to interpolate values. This Lagrang have found out a new formula. By using that formula, it is possible to make equations like this. Look at that. Equations. Okay, I will discuss that in the other problem. Here f of x would be an equation. This is an equation. Okay, if you simplify this, you will get the equation. So that we will see later. Now, so what is the question given to us is, what would be the profit by Geocell company in Coimbatore in the year 2000? The 2000 is not given here. 2000 is not given here. Okay. For this, we are using Lagrang's interpolation formula. Now look at that. If the x value, there is some disturbance here. Yes. Look at that. If x value is x0, x1, x2, x3, and y value is y0, y1, y2, y3, then the Lagrang's interpolation formula is f of x equals x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3 divided by x0 initial value minus x1 into x0 minus x2 into x0 minus x3 divided by x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3 into y0 plus x minus x0, x minus x2, x minus x3 divided by x1 minus x0, then x1 minus x2, then x1 minus x3 into y1 plus x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x3 divided by x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3 into y2. The last term is x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2 divided by x3 minus x0, x3 minus x1, x3 minus x2 into y3. So this is what we call Lagrang's interpolation formula. In the 2-mark questions, they may ask like that. Write the Lagrang's interpolation formula. Then you have to write this formula. You have to draw this table also. Not include the number here, 1997, 1999. Don't take this number. Only x0, x1, x2, x3, y0, y1, y2, y3. Write that table, and the Lagrang's formula is f of x equals this. So for 2-mark questions, if it is asked the university, then you have to write this formula. Okay, now let us do the problems now. So here 1999, 2001, 2002, these are the x values you suppose. So this will become x x naught 1997. This will become x1 1997. This is 2001. This is x2, and 2002 is x3. 43 is y1, corresponding x0 y0 will get, and for 65 it is y1. For 159 it is y2, so corresponding to x2 y2. And last one x3, the corresponding value of y3 is 248. So this is what the table given to us. Now we know that this is the Lagrange's interpolation formula. So that Lagrange's interpolation formula we are applying on this particular table. In this particular table we are applying the Lagrange's formula. Now look at that. Here x0, x1, x2, x3, here y0, y1, y2 and y3. Now in this particular formula, f of x equals x minus x1. So x minus 1999. Okay, that's what is given here. And then this one x minus x2. X minus x2 value is 2001. So that's what given in the numerator. Okay, then x minus x3. So x minus x3 is 2002. X minus 2002. Divide by x0 minus x1. x0 is this 1997 minus 1999. 1997 minus 1997. 1999. Second, x0 minus x2. x0 1997 minus 2001. Minus 2001. Then x0 minus x3. Okay, x0 minus x3. x0 the value is 1997, and here x3 is 2002. So that's what is given here into y0. y0 value is what? 43. Okay. Similarly, the second terms we are substituting from here to here. Second term. Okay, x minus x0. x0 we know 1987. That's what 1987. X minus 2001. 2001. That's what x minus x2. X minus x3. X minus 2022. Divided by. Similarly, this value we have to substitute, and we will get a second term, third term also we will do like that. So now what we get? Now look at that. We will be getting this step, and this is the third step. That is what here x minus x0. X minus 1997. Let me correct. Into x minus 1999. 1999. And x minus 2001. 2001. Divided by x3 minus x0. x3 is what there? 2002. So 2002 minus x0 is 1997. So we are substituting this value, and this is what y3 is 248. 248 here, right? So we are substituting everything here, and this particular formula we call it as Lagrange's interpolation formula. So still we can simplify this. But that is not needed here, because our question is they are not asking us to find the equation, but they ask us to find the profit in the year 2000. That's what we are. So this formula is enough for us. This formula enough for us. So when x equals 2000 is not in the row of x axis. In the x axis there's no 2000. Okay, if 2000 is here, what would be the y? When the year is 2000, what would be the profit? That's what we are interested. So this particular function gives between f of x. Am I correct? I mean x and f of x. So if you put x equals 2000, if you put x is equal to 2000, you will get y, or f of x you will get. Okay, so in all these x in this particular formula, you are substituting 2000. You are substituting 2000. Okay, so if you substitute x equals 2000 in all the places, you will get this answer. 2000 minus 1999 is 1. 2000 minus 2001 is minus 1. 2000 minus 2002 is minus 2. Here 1997 minus 1999 is minus 2. Here also 97 1 is minus 4. 97 minus 2002 minus 5. This 43 comes as it is. Then this term is coming like this, and this term, third term, coming like this, and the last term is this. Okay, so if you simplify all these digits, am I correct, or numbers, finally you will get that minus 43 by 20 plus 65 by 2 plus 477 by 4 minus 248 by 5. Still you simplify this, what you are getting is 100. Okay, so you back here. So when here is 2000, then the profit, corresponding profit would be 100 lakhs. That's what we are finding out. Okay, so therefore the profit for GeoCell company in the year 2000 is 100 lakhs. If this is the case, I mean for 1997 43 profit, for 1999 65 profit, 2001 159 profit, and 2002 248 is the profit. If this is the case, then in 2000 how much profit? By using this interpolation formula, we arrived at f of 2000 equals 100. That is, here 100 should come. Suppose here 2000 is not given. Suppose here 2000 we are interested. What would be the profit in the year 2000 we are interested? Then corresponding profit would be 100 lakhs. 100 lakhs. Okay, so we have interpolated the corresponding value of y when the corresponding value of unknown is given to us. Okay, so this type of the problem we call it as interpolation problem. Okay, so you must understand that not only inside this range, outside this range also, if we are interested. Take for example 2005. In 2005, what would be the profit? Suppose you are interested like this, then you have to make the equation like this. At last you will get the equation like this. In this equation here you substitute 2005 you substitute, you'll get some value here. Am I correct? And this value would be the corresponding profit in the year 2005. What would be the corresponding profit? What comes here? When you substitute this here, you simplify like this, you will get some number here, and that number is the corresponding profit in the year 2005. So not only inside the range given to us, the outside range also, it is possible to predict the value of y. Okay, so this type of problem is called interpolation problem. This comes in the unit number 4 of your mathematics subject MA 3251, statistics and numerical method. Okay, so instead of this years and profit, we can take whatever the variable may be. Okay, so whatever may be x and y, we can do the problem like this. We can solve the problem like this. Solve means the corresponding y value for unknown x value we are interested. So this is the way that we can do the problem, and I will see you in another class with another topic in unit number 4. Thank you.